To start using AAFCU CardSwap, first log into your account through AAFCU's online banking. To do this from the AAFCU mobile app, enter your username and password, then click Login. Once logged in, open the pop-out navigation menu by clicking the Menu button in the top left corner of your screen. On the blue navigation bar, locate and click the CardSwap button. Next, click the blue Get Started button to begin connecting your accounts. You will see a page listing multiple brand names in colored boxes. You may need to scroll down to view all available brands. Click on each of the online subscription services you currently have an active account with to connect these accounts to CardSwap. Once a tile has been selected, a green check mark will appear in the top left corner. Clicking the selected tile again will deselect it. Once you have selected all your current accounts, click on the blue Next Step button located at the bottom of your screen. To link your AAFCU debit card or credit card, simply input all of your AAFCU card information into the corresponding boxes and click on the blue Verify Card button at the bottom of your screen. Next, you will be asked to log in to each of the accounts you previously selected. Input the information for each of your selected accounts along with the current account password, then click on the blue Link Account button located at the bottom of your screen. This may take 10 to 20 seconds. You will be prompted to sign into each of your previously selected online subscriptions. Be sure to finish logging into each of your selected subscription accounts to finish the setup process. Once you have successfully linked all of your accounts, you will be taken to a final screen. This screen asks you to please allow up to 24 hours for CardSwap to take effect. Click on the blue Finish button to complete your setup. You are now ready to enjoy the convenience of CardSwap.